Morning guys, just here on the boat, or the tinny I should say, down at the local. Come here to make a video. Hopefully we can get a few fish on board, share what it's like down here at the local. What I typically expect is you know, flathead, pinkies, salmon, kings, brim, what else is around, tailor. See what it hits, eh? I'll show what I'm flicking around just real quickly anyway. My favourite setup. Got the 2500 Luvia there on a 2 to 5 kilo TD0. I've just got a 3-inch slim swim on a 7-gram jig head rigged up there. The line is, I think the main line there is about 15 pounds, 16 pounds or so, because it is a deep spool, so it fits 300 meters of that, whatever it is, and the leader there is 8 pound. I typically always run 8 pound leader. I transformed over from 12. I used to always run 12, but I find I wasn't always getting as many hits, so I started experimenting with the 8 pound, and sure enough. Anyways, my other combo, which is a 1 to 3 kilo rod, TD black, and I've as well got another 2500. This is a TD black one as well, 2500 deep spool, so it's got the same braid, same leader and whatnot. And lure of choice for this rig, is just a 2.5-inch grub in chartreuse. It's proven effective in this system, so I'm gonna have a flick, and I'll turn on the GoPro and we'll see what we can get on camera. Wish us luck, boys. On. We're on. Something good. A lot of head shakes. Nice pinky. Fuck, they hit so hard. Nice. Very nice fish. That's him there. Not a bad one. Just a fish. First one on board. Not a bad one. Let's put it back. Yep, he's ready. See you, mate. On. Seems heavy. Nice, Trev. Nice. Second fish of the day. Nice Trev. 31, 32 centimeters, something like that. Not a bad one. Put him on this. Let's put him back. Yeah, few around. It's beautiful, eh? Have a good one. Oh, just got a hit. What is this? Oh, I'm a Trev. What is this? Come on. Another Trev. Good one, but fuck, they go good. Oh. Solid. Just come off. Nice upgrade. Fucking hell. What a sesh. Hasn't been bad, eh? Far out. What's your stitch up? Why is it coming out? Relax. Relax, buddy. There it is. A lot bigger than the last one, I'll say. He goes about 38, 39 centimeters, this one. I'll show you. Not a bad one, eh? Not a bad fish at all. I'm not really stretching it, to be quite honest, but yeah. I mean, I could just do the old school. He didn't like that. Anyways. Try to get a bit of him holding it. Got flathead, finally. Another Trev. Ooh. There it is. I really thought I was on a flathead then. Third Trev. Can't complain, honestly. It's been a good session nonetheless, and these guys put up a good fight anyway, so there he goes. It's only a matter of time before they bust their lips though, so if you know you're on a Trev, typically just back off on the drag a bit and on your way, because their mouths are pretty delicate and just tear right through, almost like flathead. As you can see there, like they tear right up through. See that? The hole there. Anyways, let's go. Oop. $30. So pretty much like the first one we got. Ooh. Under 20 centimeters, I'd say. So it's a little baby, little tucker. He still took the grub, the 3.5 inch grub. So do you want to go back or not, mate? Flathead. Finally. Where the fuck you been, mate? How the fuck? See you, buddy. Thanks guys for watching all the way through. If you watched all the way through, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment, all that. You know, I'm only new to this more or less, so you know, anything goes a long way. Definitely we'll be making more videos. I've been enjoying them, you know, editing and all that stuff, and just, you know, just being able to go back and look at what I've done that day and see what I can and can't do, whatever the case. But yeah, definitely more videos to come, and just let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see in the future. Thanks for the support, the ones that are supporting, and till next time.